42. Morning affirmations for success and discipline. Listen carefully. Repeat each line in your mind or out loud, and feel every word. Before the world asks anything from you, take control of your mind. This is your moment to set the tone for your entire day. I wake up with clarity, purpose, and focus. I start my day strong and in control. I choose discipline over distraction. I choose growth over comfort. I show up even when I don't feel like it. I am stronger than my excuses. I am becoming more focused every day. I do what needs to be done without hesitation. I stay consistent no matter how I feel. Discipline is part of who I am. I finish what I start. I stay committed to my goals. I respect my time and use it wisely. I build habits that create success. I take action every single day. I move forward without overthinking. I stay locked in on what matters most. I eliminate distractions easily. I stay focused and execute with clarity. Every step I take moves me forward. I am in control of my actions. I believe in myself fully. I trust my journey completely. I stay calm under pressure. I handle challenges like a leader. Every challenge makes me stronger. I grow through everything I face. I am becoming unstoppable. I attract success through my actions. I create value every single day. My discipline builds my future. I am building a life I'm proud of. I think like a successful person. I act like a successful person. I am becoming that person daily. My future is clear and powerful. I see my success before it happens. I stay committed no matter what. I don't quit. I adjust and continue. I rise every day with energy and focus. I am building something real. I am becoming my best version. This is who you are now. Focused, disciplined, and in control. Not tomorrow, starting today. Come back to this every morning and watch your life change. Listen every day. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the WhatsApp channel, link in the description. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent.